Hi, today I'm going to talk about a wonderful essential oil of mine. In fact, one of my favorites. It's called Ylang Ylang. So Ylang Ylang Essential Oil. Now Ylang Ylang Essential Oil is something, it actually comes from Hawaii. We also have it growing in India, in south of India. I was very surprised to go into the south of India, and there was this tree, and it had Ylang Ylang, and it was really fantastic. In fact, the Indian name for Ylang Ylang is champa, and it is very, very exotic. It's an exotic oil. Also, it's an aphrodisiac. So Ylang Ylang is used as an aphrodisiac. The other thing, Ylang Ylang has a lot of different kind of uses. One is you can use it, of course, as an aphrodisiac. You put it in a diffuser, you put it in your candles, you put it in on the light bulbs and then switch on the lights. It gives you that wonderful aroma. The next thing you can use, like I use Ylang Ylang for, is for elderly people. The reason for that is that when, you'll find that they are a little more lethargic, their moods are not good, they're feeling a little low. So I use this Ylang Ylang in their bath water. You can give them a little head massage and use it in a diffuser. It definitely helps to pep up their mood. In fact, every morning, this is something that they should use is Ylang Ylang. The other way you can use Ylang Ylang, of course, and especially in this festive season, is on your hair, and you're going to smell divine, really wonderful. So you're going to dry your hair and then take a few drops of Ylang Ylang and just apply it in your hair and leave it. It'll give it a wonderful shine, and of course, you're going to smell divine. And the other thing that we use Ylang Ylang for is to set the complete mood of a person, to lift the person's mood up. So when you're feeling low, not feeling too good, just have a bath with Ylang Ylang. And medicinally, I use this actually for those who have high blood pressure. Now, this is an oil that helps to bring your pressure down, makes you feel good. So you can use a little in your bath water. You can have it just put a basin of water and then soak your feet in it. You can use it for a body massage. And of course, during this festive season also, you could have a wonderful body massage with this oil to make you feel good. So Ylang Ylang is the oil of the season. You can use it in so many different ways, and it smells absolutely exotic.